This portable ultrasonic retainer cleaner, 48 kHz, 200 ml portable, is aimed at users who want a travel-capable cleaning system without sacrificing cleaning performance. Marketplace listings for portable 48 kHz pods often include UV or LED sanitizing lights, a 200 ml capacity, and compact shells that tuck into luggage. Pricing varies internationally, but some vendor pages show examples near $100 depending on region and seller. Customers who travel or want an on-the-go hygiene routine rate these units highly for convenience and quick visible cleaning. During routine use, I like the portability, the 200 ml tank balance space and convenience, and the cleaning action reliably removed film from aligners, night guards, and even toothbrush heads. Some portable models add UV LEDs which can help reduce surface germs. Note: UV is supplemental and not a medical sterilizer, and review comments often praise the travel convenience for frequent flyers or students living in shared housing. For households with multiple appliance wearers, consider a larger tank or back-to-back cycles. The small pods are mainly designed for single-use daily maintenance. If you need a retainer cleaner that's genuinely portable but still effective, a 48 kHz per 200 ml travel pod is a strong pick, especially for people who want quick, visible cleaning when away from home. Pros: travel ready, effective, simple controls. Cons: not a sterilizer. Check region-specific pricing. We share by links in description box.